What's up guys? Today we will be unboxing Space Resource Technologies Astro Farmer Kit. So let's take a look. Alright, so first we have our flyer. So essentially it's how to begin your experiment as well as what comes inside the box. Next you have your workbook. So it will have step-by-step instructions as well as you're able to write down your progress and your results. You have your little scooper, your 5 plant pots, black bean seeds, SRT's LHS-1E or Lunar dirt. You have your earth soil, your N95 mask, and at the end you'll have your Astro Farmer sticker patch. Thanks for watching and good luck on your space journey.